The number of babies born in the country rose nearly 4% in May from a year earlier, marking the biggest increase for the month in 14 years, according to government data.
우리나라 5월 출생아 수가 1년 전보다 4% 가까이 늘어나면서 같은 달 기준으로 14년 만에 가장 높은 증가율을 보였습니다. Alright, tell us more.
Yeah, so a total of 20,309 babies were born in May. That was up 3.8% from the 19,567 babies that were born a year earlier. And that is the steepest on-year increase for any May since 2011 when the figure rose by 5.3%.
2011년 이후 출생아 수의 전년 동월 대비 증가율이 5월 기준으로요. 가장 높았다는 거죠, 이번에. 3.8%를 기록한 2025년 5월 출생아 증가율입니다. 네.
You know what I thought of when I saw these statistics? As I was thinking, okay, I've got two boys that are 5 and 8 years old, respectively. And I thought, okay, so in about 20 years' time, they're going to have more potential wives to choose from because the birth rate's going up. So, okay, good for them.
Okay, good for them. Good for them. All right. 자, more marriages as well compared to the same period last year. So overall, I would say more people getting married, more babies being born, which is a good sign for Korea. We have a
population crisis that's been talked about for the last couple of decades. So, certainly good news, and we just hope this continues.
Let's have a look at the word nearly.
Nearly is like almost to a certain degree. So when you think of the base word near, it's like you're close to something, right? And in this particular case, it's close to what you're aiming for or what you're comparing it with. So it was nearly 4%. It wasn't quite 4%. It's not, right there. It's 3.8%. So not quite 4%, but it's almost 4%.
거의 뭐뭐하다. Near means something is close. So nearly basically means whatever number you're talking about or whatever situation it is, it's close to something else, I guess. A target or a rounded up number. So I might say it's nearly 8:15 right now. It's not.
Yeah, not quite.
No, it's nearly.
Nearly.
Okay, what about mark the biggest increase?
So the biggest increase is how much you've improved on something or gone up in a particular stat or whatever it might be. And when it says here, mark the biggest increase, I kind of feel like, okay, we're keeping a record of something or we want to take a note of something that this is what's been had. So it's not something that you're kind of brushing off or just kind of mentioning, but it's something that might be recorded or something that you might want to remember for later.
Because, we use markers to mark things down. 기록한다라는 의미가 있죠, mark가. 그래서 marking the biggest increase. This is the kind of phrasing you hear a lot in the news.
Yes.
You're marking something. 그래서 이러한 것을 기록했다. The biggest increase, 가장 큰 증가율을. Well, here's the headline one more time. The number of babies born in the country rose nearly 4% in May from a year earlier, marking the biggest increase for the month in 14 years, according to government data. Let's move on to the second headline.